As 3D technologies become more affordable, desktop printers, online forums, and fabrication labs build a new type of accessibility. In recent years, schools, libraries, and even community centers have opened makerspaces for the public. Many 3D technologies participate in a type of open access critical making, a crowdsourcing of science and technology that helps to foster innovation. From individuals to industry, 3D printing has become a tinker technology for solving social and technical problems, a critical, hands-on method for materializing the future. In 1957, Monsanto built a plastic house for Disney's Tomorrowland. Today, as Business Insider reports, architects from all around the world are using 3D printing to create cheap, sustainable solutions for housing, making both the printers and the houses to fit a need or an environment.
We thought in order to 3D print architecture we need a big printer, and we realized that there wasn't one available yet, so then we just started to invent it ourselves, and the result you see now outside.
New printers not only use plastic, but concrete, clay, and even local plant matter to build site-specific structures.
The material we use is actually based on plants or linseed. Sustainability is a very important part in 3D printing, I guess, because you don't need transport that much, you don't have that much of waste, and you can use bio-based materials.
The main goal is, I think, to really deliver new custom-made architecture, and that means that you really print site-specific. So in the Western world it will be much more about unique objects, fancy designs, but I can imagine that in other parts of the globe this technique can really accommodate cheap, ecological, affordable housing for the masses. Or just imagine that in refugee areas you just bring a printer there, and suddenly with local soil or local materials you can really print in a fast manner a lot of refugee homes.
We have some challenges at the moment with 7 billion people on this planet, fast-growing cities all over the world. We have to come up with new techniques and new ways of organizing cities.
But architecture is not the only thing getting a 3D update. Individuals and nonprofits across the globe are creating a 3D printing network for making prosthetics, connecting people in need with 3D printers. Organizations like Mission Not Impossible, Open Bionics, the World Health Organization, and the eNable community are making open-source prosthetics for under $50.
Our goal is to totally democratize the process so that any amputee can find an appropriate device and get access to the information and the design files and make themselves an assistive mechanical device.
Traditional prosthetics can cost up to $50,000 and take weeks to make. In communities where people can't miss work for a lengthy fitting process, or worry that a child might outgrow an expensive prosthetic, 3D prints offer a cheap, lightweight, durable solution that can be made in less than a day. Through projects like eNable, open source collaboration drives innovation and encourages critical making. Using web forums and imaging software, the 3D printing community can alter designs and reconfigure fits to build a better prosthetic. And the printed prosthetics are not only for humans. Dogs, ducks, eagles, and even sea turtles now have 3D printed editions. Whether houses or prosthetics, 3D printing technologies work to address a need with both the technical and the social driving innovation. Through necessity and novelty, 3D printing is changing the way we model, make, and participate in our environment.